You're not just preparing paperwork, you're becoming a person whose life is so solid, no officer can doubt. At your visa interview, you show your best documents, your employment letter, your bank statement, and your travel plans. And then the officer asks you this: do you own a property in your home country? You freeze, hesitate, and say, well, my family owns a house. Right then, the foundation you rely on starts to give away. Now, you'll learn exactly what counts as real proof of home ownership and how to use it to finally approve your application. Officers trust legal ownership with your name on it far more than general family ownership. When they hear my parents own it, my uncle own it, it sounds like you have nothing that binds you personally to stay. Strong property ties mean your name is legally attached to the property. You have real documented ownership rights. You have something significant to lose if you disappear in the United States. Let me share with you this story. A person was a young teacher, unmarried, living with her parents. On her first visa attempt, she casually mentioned, my family has a house. The officer smiled politely and denied her visa. 6 months later, she returned but smarter. She brought this: a copy of the house deed, an authorized family agreement showing shared ownership rights, utility bills in her name tied to the house address, and the result, visa approved. The documents didn't just show where she lived, they showed that leaving meant losing something real, valuable, and personal. So the question should be asked here is that what counts as a strong home ownership proof? Official property deed or contracts with your name listed, mortgage statement in your name, land registry certificates, official tax records showing property ownership, rental contracts or tenant records if you own rental property, family property where you're legally registered as a co-owner. Verbal claims mean nothing. Officers aren't guessing, they are reading facts. Now you can do this. Gather copies of any property documents you were connected to. If you co-own property, prepare an authorized statement or legal proof and organize your documents clearly: property deed, tax papers, utility bills. If you don't own a property yet, focus even harder on showing career ties, education ties, and family responsibilities. Ownership helps, but many applicants win by staking other strong ties as well. Property isn't just a land. At your visa interview, property is gravity to your homeland. It shows the officer you're rooted and belonging to your home country. And in the next video, we'll break another powerful myth: how even students and unemployed applicants can still prove they will return home and win the golden US visa approval. You're not just building a visa case, you're building a life story too strong to doubt.